Did you know that garage doors can last well over 20 years with proper care? The average residential garage door experiences 1,000 cycles each year, which is like opening and closing a door 3 times a day for almost a year. And 25% of people have so much stuff in their garage, they can't park a car inside. That's a lot of clutter. Installing a new garage door on your home has a 98% rate of return on investment. That's almost as good as investing in Bitcoin. Don't overlook the maintenance of your garage door. Over 50% of homeowners have never had their garage door professionally serviced. Spread awareness about the importance of garage door services and keep your garage door running smoothly for years to come.